2009 Honda Odyssey LX, 44,000 original miles. Yes, 44,000 miles. Like new, one owner, no accidents, all original, in flawless condition. Not a door ding, scratch, rock chip. This is a basic model Honda Odyssey. Perfect vehicle for family, especially if you're looking for a low mileage one. In amazing condition. Yes, this is really an 09, and yes, it really has 44,000 miles. Interior is like new, all original floor mats, no stains, no rips, no tears. 44,000. Perfect vehicle history report, one owner. Second row seats, third row seats. Like I said, in amazing condition. Michelin tires are like new. '2009 Honda Odyssey LX, one owner, 44,000 original miles in like new condition.